ठीक है. Now the configuration of rays which are refracted through a toric surface is called as terms cone. ठीक आहे. आता डायग्राम बघ कसा काढायचा. ठीक आहे. These are the horizontal rays.
What is that circle?
Toric surface
Hmm.
or an astigmatic lens. This is the axis of the horizontal rays. ठीक है. Horizontal edge. This is the axis of the vertical rays. ठीक है. Now the section.
What
of,
is that other triangle?
This one.
Hmm.
That is divergence
Okay.
of the vertical rays.
Hmm.
Okay, ठीक है. Now there are sections of the bundle of light rays
Hmm.
at different levels. So first is first has to be, this is point A. ठीक है. Now at this point the vertical rays, that is V, are converging more than the horizontal rays. That's why the section which is obtained is a horizontal oval, that is this.
Hmm.
Okay. Next is this one, that is point B. Point B is the first focus. Now it is called as the first, point B is called as the first focus because the vertical rays have come to a focus,
Hmm.
whereas the horizontal rays are still converging. So a horizontal line is obtained. That means like this, just a horizontal line at point B, which is the first focus. Next is, this is point C. At point C, the vertical rays are diverging, and the divergence of the vertical rays is less than the convergence of the horizontal rays. So again a horizontal oval is formed here, like this. Okay. Next is, this one is point D. Now at point D,
What is the difference between point C and point D?
point C is somewhere like 2 millimeters behind the this beginning of this triangle. That is how I remember it. Okay.
Okay.
Now this where this divergence starts now,
Hmm.
that is what they have labeled as point D.
Okay.
So at point D, the divergence of the vertical rays, the divergence of the vertical rays is exactly equal to the convergence of the horizontal rays. So the section formed here is a circle. A circle, and this circle is called as the circle of least diffusion. Circle of least diffusion. Okay. Next is point E. Okay. At point E, the divergence of the vertical rays is more than the convergence of the horizontal rays. So a vertical oval is formed like this. Okay. Next is point F. Now point F is called as the second focus. Okay. Second focus. Now why is point F called as the second focus is because at point F the horizontal rays have come to a focus, whereas the vertical rays are diverging. So that's why a vertical line is formed like this. Just a vertical line. Okay. And now the last point is point beyond F, or the G point. Now at G point, both the horizontal rays as well as the vertical rays, both are diverging. That's why a vertical oval is formed again, which has to be bigger than the vertical oval which is seen at point E.
Hmm.
And that becomes your Sturm's conide.
And application?
Astigmatism.
Thank you.